Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to the 80K Woods Walker channel. I'm Jay, and we're doing some winter hiking. Hi Dan.
Hi.
We're at the Mt Van Hoevenberg Olympic Ski Center. So we're gonna do Mt Van Hoevenberg, and then we're gonna go over to the lodge and do Monjo. Getting 2 of the Lake Placid 9 mountains done. And look, there's actually snow. You would think we weren't gonna get winter, but I think it's here. Let's go.
Hey John, have you figured out how to put it on your pack yet?
Almost there. Calibrating the...
First mountain of the day, Mt Van Hoevenberg. We are actually on the new East Trail. This thing was started in 2018, and I think they just finished it this past summer. So very, very cool. Brand new trail, and I hear it's pretty awesome. It's actually one of the best designed trails in the Adirondacks right now, using a lot of new technology for trail design. And stairs, lots of stairs from what I hear.
New technology, like switchbacks and stairs?
Yeah, new technology.
1840 all over again, boys.
It's the Adirondacks, dang it! Mt Van Hoevenberg sits at just over 2,900 feet, and out of the ski complex, there's only like 1.5 inches of snow on the ground, so right now we're bare booting it, but we do have our snowshoes and our micro spikes and everything we would need for actual winter conditions. But for right now, it's just a walk in the woods. It's awesome. A lot of steps out of the complex, which, you know, it's a little weird because we're going on a hike, but definitely makes the train real easy. Let's keep going. Cora, the snow pup, in her element, having a great time. Look at her. She loves this. All right, we made it to the top of Mt Van Hoevenberg, 2,940 feet, at least according to the maps, and look at the view. We are in a cloud, but this is supposed to be one of the best views in the Adirondacks, and honestly, the trail is super accessible. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward, a little bit of steps, and you're here. It's awesome. So we're gonna hang out for a couple minutes, zip back down to the truck, get some hot lunch, and go to the next mountain. Just a bit past the first viewpoint, you get another awesome viewpoint when it's not cloudy. All right, making our way down the mountain. Decided to put on micro spikes because it's a little slick, and going down, well, I don't want to fall on my butt. Now, Dan and I, we're smart. We have micro spikes on. John does not have micro spikes. How you doing, buddy?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah? He's good.
He's good.
So we made it back down to the trailhead at the Van Hoevenberg Ski Complex. Mountain number 1 for the day is done, and I counted. My inaccurate snow-covered count says there are 621 steps, like actual stair steps, from this trail register to that first viewpoint that we saw. So if you feel like counting, you can verify that number. Otherwise, I win. All right, let's go get some lunch and then hit up Mount Joe. All right, we are at the Adirondack Lodge, heating up some food, heating up some water, because today is the first day I get to play with a new Christmas gift. Look at this thing. It is the GSI ultralight Java drip thing. I don't know anything about it, but I just recently started drinking coffee, thanks to Ben McMillan and Hilltop Packs Coffee. So my son got me that, and since we're here, it's cold, we're gonna heat up some coffee. Check it out. Oh, that smells really good. Mmm. Yeah. I'm gonna let that drip, and I'm gonna have a nice warm cup of coffee. Definitely something to be said about a hot cup of coffee in the middle of a day when you're doing a couple mountains. This is hitting the spot, but we can't delay. Even John's cleaning up all his stuff. So it means we're almost ready to start hiking Mount Joe. Let's go. Mount Joe is actually one of the most popular hikes in all of the Adirondacks, which is crazy. It's a 1.8 mile, 1.9 mile loop or something like that. And the mountain itself sits at just about 2,900 feet. Apparently, the views on top are amazing. But even though I've been hiking in the Adirondacks for nigh on 6 years now, I've never been to the top. So let's go and see for ourselves. All right, we got to the junction where we can go that way to the long trail or go that way to the short trail. We're gonna make a loop out of this, so I think we're gonna take the steep section up. I think. What do you guys think?
I thought the long trail was in Vermont.
Aren't we doing that in August?
Yes, we are. These guys are so helpful.
Let's take the short trail then, since we're gonna do the long trail in August.
Let's go with the short trail. So you'll notice that Cora doesn't have her pack on today. That's because we were just doing short hikes. We were going out to the mountaintop and back to the truck and then out to the mountaintop and back. So figure there's no reason to weigh her down with that. We've got everything she needs here. And then in the truck, like I said, we ate food there, so she was good to go.
Really? Short hikes? Have you seen this hill?
Yeah, it's short. It doesn't mean it's not tall. Wait, what? Good job, puppy. Well, we made it to the second summit of the day. This is Mount Joe, 2,876 feet, right around there. Another mountain that has epic views when you don't come in an overcast day. So, it's pretty awesome. That short trail up, that is a standard Adirondack High Peaks trail. Woof. Bouldering through the stream. Awesome. Now we're going to take the longer trail back down to the lodge so that we can get back in the car and head home.
The trick with an Adirondack trail is you want to look for the most inconvenient, dangerous, and uncomfortable place for the trail. That's where they ran it.
Yeah.
Every time.
Yeah, so if you get lost, just look for that and you'll be okay. All right, we're going to hang out here for a minute or two and then beat feet on the way back down. All right, we made it back down off of Mount Joe. That long trail is awesome. It's much less steep and significantly less bouldery. So yeah, it's kind of cool. Choose your own adventure. I think both trails are awesome, and I like loops, so I'm glad we did it the way we did it. That's two mountains on the Lake Placid Niner challenge that we did today. Nice work, guys. Not too bad.
I didn't realize we were doing a challenge.
Neither did I, actually.
So yeah, Mt Van Hoevenberg and Mount Joe, 2 on the LP9. If you want more information, I'll put a link in the description below and check it out for yourself. I hope you liked this video. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. If you like outdoor adventure videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. But most importantly, I hope that we've inspired you to get outside and do something awesome. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Oh, I said don't die the entire time.
Not don't die me, don't die camera.
Yeah, I don't care about you.